Hello everyone, this is Alim. In last winter season in Bangladesh, I made this one-day motorcycle tour from Dhaka to Bhairab Bridge. I hope you will enjoy my videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hoping you are very fine, absolutely. And I think today is very good day for you all. So it is winter time in Bangladesh, and last night got information from weather website that today will be sunny day and weather will be very cool, and I plan to make a tour to Bhairab Bridge. There are other three people with two bikers. He accompanied to me 192 kilometers so far I could guess. I am very excited. I hope you will enjoy my videos. It is 8:25. I think it is the best time to start now.
In the name of Almighty Allah, I am just getting on my way. Today's morning weather really very nice and cool. You see so much clear road in Dhaka city. It can be rarely seen. Now I am passing Mohakhali Amtola transition point. My other checkers are waiting for me for a long time as I am arriving delay. Let's see what they are saying.
Sorry. ভাই এইগুলো সেট আপ করতে অনেক সময় লাগছে। এইগুলো সেট আপ করতে এগুলো না আমার চিপটাই তৈরি রেকর্ডিং হয় নাকি? রেকর্ডিং হইতাছে? হ্যাঁ। আমার এই খাতটা দিলে ভালো হতো না? ও এটা বুঝি নাই, এর পথে আর হবে না, কারণ এইগুলি সব সেট আপ করতে একটু সময় লাগছে। ক্যামেরা
After convincing them, we have started to the way to Bhairab Bridge finally.
Riding in the morning is really cool and full of pleasure. It is near Kuril Vishwa Road transition point. We are on the Q-turn flyover towards 300 feet. Its experience is very nice.
Bikes are very nice really, and the biker is Salim.
In the meantime, we are entering into the luxurious 300 feet road of Dhaka city. You know, this is my first motorbike riding tours outside of Dhaka. That makes me super excited and nervous as well. For thus, I am riding comparatively slowly and carefully as possible. আরো দূরে চালাবো। ওকে কত দূর যাবো? They are guiding me with high care as I am being new rider on the highway. I feel very lucky to be a part of this trip.
Now I am going a little faster, but staying in between 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. Did you see that microbus? How recklessly they are driving in? My goodness. A huge jam struck us for a while, but I love this jam. Are you become surprised? In this case, I must say, without facing jam, you will never feel the pleasure of a free road riding. What do you think? In the perspective of our general people, we must give salute to their passions, and that is for their waiting capability. This long jam is the natural phenomena presently seen in our highway, but not always and everywhere, is not it? Okay, let's start. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Better we should drive in the narrow passages after having a little risk. Whether would it be favor to proceed forward in the cheaper driving?
This is our part of our life. We cannot avoid, we cannot deny this situation. So this is our country.
After a while, I am able to move forward somehow, but don't know how far I can go. I know you are watching and speaking about taking two risks. Of course, but it was exciting riding. In this video, I am trying to share you my journey experience without having any negative comment. Instead of that, I am trying to show the positive thing all through the way. Whatever you say, these heavy tracks awfully pounding my heart. For God's sake, we are very lucky and take turn into a village path. I requested the Absol biker Salim Mama to have a cup of tea in this little turning point, but he suggested us not to stay here. I don't know what is the reason behind. Probably it was a time-consuming matter. After entering into this village path, I started to feel the real excitement and pleasure of bike riding. My bike is not over-speeded. As I am being an adventure enthusiast and nature lover, I must say that this little journey through this village path gives me natural view and full of pleasure. After a while, we again take turn into a pedestrian narrow passage in some village.
I don't know exactly what the name of this village or places, but I am just keeping to follow my riding partners. Till now, my every moment is exciting. That leads me culminating for what shall I see in the next. Oh ho! This zigzag muddy road. Wow! Now we are passing through a culvert. And in the mid of that culvert, exactly at the middle of this khal, আমি বলছিলাম মামাকে যে মনে হচ্ছে মাছ ধরতে নামি। Now we are passing through বাঁশবাগান in the village. Oh, by the way, কেউ যদি বাঁশবাগানে ইংরেজি জানেন দয়া করে আমাকে কমেন্টে জানাবেন। I really thankful to my riding team members and other experienced adventure biker of our country whose influence dares me to make and share such experience bike riding.